What's the one smartphone everyone's talking about in 2025? Spoiler, it's not just one. Today on GadInsider, we're counting down the top 5 trending smartphones of 2025 that are stealing the show. From mind-blowing AI to insane cameras, you need to see these. Stick around to find out which phone is crowned number 1. GadInsider, your ultimate source for tech, gadgets, and the future of innovation. 2025 is the year of next-level smartphones, and we've scoured the tech world to bring you the hottest devices taking over. Whether you're Team Apple, Samsung, or love a wild card like nothing, there's something here for everyone. Let's dive into the list. Kicking off at number 5, the OnePlus 13 is a powerhouse. With a blazing fast Snapdragon processor and a silky 120Hz AMOLED display, it's perfect for gamers and multitaskers. Plus, its Hasselblad-tuned cameras are giving pricier phones a run for their money. Affordable flagship vibes? Yes, please. At number 4, the Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 4 Pro is turning heads with its incredible value. This beast rocks a 144Hz display and a massive battery that lasts all day. Xiaomi's AI features make it a productivity champ, and at this price, it's a steal for budget-savvy tech lovers. Number 3 is the Nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro 5G. And wow, it's a style icon. That transparent back and customizable glyph screen personality. Pair that with solid 5G performance and a clean Android experience, and Nothing is proving you don't need a big name to make a splash. Coming in at number 2, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is Apple's finest yet. With a tougher titanium frame, 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and Apple Intelligence AI, it's a content creator's dream. The AI Pro chip keeps everything buttery smooth. No surprise, it's trending hard in 2025. And the number 1 trending smartphone of 2025 is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This beast has it all. A 200MP camera with insane zoom, a stunning 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display, and AI features that make your life easier. From Galaxy AI to the S Pen, Samsung's flagship is the phone to beat this year. There you have it, GadInsider fam. The top 5 trending smartphones of 2025. Whether you're after cutting-edge tech or bold designs, these phones are setting the standard. But we want to hear from you. Which one's your favorite? Drop it in the comments. Team Samsung, Apple, or maybe Nothing stealing your heart? For the full scoop on these trending phones, head to GadInsider.com, link in description. If you love this video, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and hit subscribe to stay locked into the latest tech news. Don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss a GadInsider drop.